This video will show you how to use the Concrete Masonry Wall and Brick on Wall application that you can download from Tekla warehouse. First, we need to go to the warehouse. From this warehouse, we can type the CMU and then search for that. So it will show us the CMU tool, which is the Concrete Masonry Wall. So we can download this one. So from here, you can look for the version and then download this. And also, we can also download the Brick on Wall. Type brick. So here we can see that there is a Brick on Wall application. You can also download this one. From here. Basically, this one starts from Tekla Structure 2017. Okay, so once you download, you can install it according to the version that you're going to use. Then let's try it. Okay, so from our application and component, you can type the Brick on Wall. So this one, you can type the brick, and then this one will show you the application for the Brick on Wall. Right? So as you notice, I have already the modeled wall here. So all I have to do is to select this wall and then apply this brick. Okay, so this is the application for Brick on Wall. So you can see there's a lot of parameters here where you can the position where you want to add the brick, or I can say this one can be used as well if you like to add tiling or tiles. Okay, so it will consider also the opening and also the geometry of your wall. So you have the top layer, bottom layer. So you have these different parameters that you can use in this Brick on Wall. All right, so let us use the attribute that I saved earlier. So in this attribute, what I did here is I changed the size of my brick 400. So this is the 400, the horizontal, and then the vertical is another 400. So here you can choose if the brick is staggered or not. Okay, let's say I will change this one to 200 first. And then you can see the color, the material, name of the brick. You can change this one as a ceramic tile as you like. All right, and then apply. So all you have to do is to click on this wall or select the wall. And then here, as you can see, automatically it will give us the brick on the wall. So this brick on the wall is a physical element, or it's not just a surface, but this one, if I select objects in component, this is an individual brick. So it means I can easily get the bill of material for this, or the quantity. I can get the quantity easily because this one is individually modeled using this application. But if you like to use only the what do you call that, the surfacing, or just a presentation, in our picture here I can just simply say surface and then modify. So this one is only a surfacing. Surfacing, it means it's just a presentation of a brick. Okay, but if you want to get the total quantity, all you have to do is to change this one to all brick and then modify. So let me change the other position of our brick here. So maybe I'll go to this top layer. And then change this one to 400 by 400. So let's say I have a tile. Okay, and then if I want to set this style on the straight one, not the staggered one, so I'll just select this one and then modify, and there you go. So I have now the tiling. Apply, and then all I have to do is to select the other wall, and then this wall is with the door opening, and alright, so that one is our brick on wall application. Now let's move on to the concrete masonry unit, or the CMU. So all I have to type here is CMU. So here, as you can see, there is a CMU wall. So basically there are three applications here. This CMU is something like you can import an item. Okay, so item, it could be import from the SketchUp. Okay, and then put that one in the library. So this item will be used inside this CMU wall application. This one, this shape, under the shape. Okay, so all you have to do is to key in the height of the wall. Okay, so I have already the column and beam frame here. So all I have to do now is to add this concrete masonry wall. Okay, so just simply apply. So as you can see here, there's a lot of attributes here that you can change. So it's either you can use the item, or you can use a part, or you can use an item. Part, it means you can type the profile, and then item, you can type the you can select the shape. Okay, so you have the band end, you have the rebar, okay, to strengthen the hollow blocks, okay, the positioning. Okay, so all you have to do is to apply, and then select this position 1, and then 2. Okay, so you have now this masonry wall. So just simply click here, 1, 2, and then lastly this one. Okay, so you will notice here that this part is not exactly to the surface of the column. So all you have to do is just simply adjust this one to the center, so that this one will be flush to the column surface. Now we have all the bricks here, or the hollow blocks here. So maybe I'll just show you the clip plane here. Yeah, so you have the hollow blocks. Again, this profile can be created from the SketchUp, and then you import that one inside the Tekla structure, so you can create your own profile as well. Okay, so now let's say I want to use the CMU wall opening. Okay, so in this case, all I have to do is to pick the wall and then pick the position. So I have now the opening. So maybe I'll just make this position somewhere here. Yeah, and then again select the wall and then pick the position. So you have this opening here, or maybe if you like to have a bigger, wider opening, let's say 2000. Apply. So again, pick the wall, pick the opening, wall opening. So maybe I'm going to add now the let's say the door is low. So it means I just change the value here, the height of the door, apply, and then pick the wall, and then pick this position, and then you have now the door. So just an example. All right. So you have now this walls. Okay, redraw. Then maybe I'll just simply copy this one. What is the height of this one? 350, 35. So select and then copy, special to another. Copy, special, linear, 35. And then let's say 3. Alright. So as you can see here, there are some reinforcement shown in the opening, but of course you can always you can trim that one later. Okay, and now you have the 4-story building with all this concrete masonry unit. Okay, so maybe I'll just create the drawing, or just show you the prepared drawing that I have created. Yeah, so as you can see, you have this masonry wall here. Okay, so that's it, and thank you.